guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a long time, a long time, I know. Do you want to know what happened? Can you guess? I'm sure you can guess. Yes, we had a baby. We had a baby girl who is so cute. She is the cutest thing in this world. I say thing, I know, because not just a person, but thing, everything, no matter what you compare her to, she's the cutest. An animal, a thing, a person, you can't even compare. She's the best. She's so cute. She's having her nap, thankfully. Yeah, I have to watch her on the monitor. So I'm back. Yeah, I'll try my best to upload now. It's difficult. Nobody told me that having a baby is hard. Oh, it is hard. Trust me, I love kids. I love kids. But this is a conversation that needs to be had every time. Mothers, new mothers, prospective mothers, young ladies need to be prepared for this journey, this phase of life, because nothing prepares you for it. I love doing research. I did my research, but nothing prepared me for this. Okay, well, it's been 2 months. She's 2 months now, which is 9 weeks, not just 8 weeks, 9 weeks now. And it's been a hell of a journey. It still is. And I mean, it's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it. Okay, so OMUGWO. What is OMUGWO? Now, like I've been saying, having a child is difficult. Having a newborn, especially a newborn, is hard. It's something that you can't even know what to compare it with. Your whole life changes like without preparation. So in my culture, Igbo culture, we have this ritual. Let me call it a ritual called OMUGWO. Now, what it means is that your mother as a woman, or your mother-in-law, which is your husband's mom, or vice versa, to be honest, it doesn't matter, will come, okay, when you give birth to a new baby. They will come to be with you. So the point is to help you ease into the journey of motherhood. They tend to make the journey smoother the best way they can. They will show you the ropes, show you how things are done, how to bathe the baby, how to take care of the umbilical cord, how to take care of the penis if the baby has been circumcised as a boy, how to pierce the ears, take care of these incisions and wounds before time so they can heal, to avoid infection. They will show you, they'll cook food, cook Jim Miracle, like yam pepper soup so that the mother can take. It's said that the hot water helps the tummy to go back. It helps the uterus to shrink back to the normal size. I don't know if it's true, but that's what they say, I tried to drink some hot water. I mean, mine has shrunk, but I don't know if it's because of that or because I didn't have much appetite after giving birth. Anyway, so they will do all these things to help ease into it. Now, when the mother-in-law is coming, or your mother, they will bring things. These are called things for OMUGWO, okay? So it can go from stockfish to dried fish to abacha to, mano, things to cook the pepper soup with, meat if they can or want to, yam, tubers of yam. Basically, local food, traditional food that they will bring with them. They could bring gifts for the baby if they wish. My mom brought earring for the baby because I asked for a gold earring. So that, because my skin irritates when as you can see, I don't have jewelry. I don't really wear jewelry because it irritates my skin. So I wasn't quite sure about the baby. I've got sensitive skin. My husband's got sensitive skin. So we had to be on the safe side. So things like this, they'll bring with them basically to come and take care of you guys. Now, traditionally, I believe OMUGWO is 3 months. However, these days, you do it based on each person's schedule and what you prefer. As a new mother, you might want to be alone with your new family, with your husband and child. Or as a man, you might want to be alone with your wife and child. Get used to this phase, ease into it before a third party comes in. Or you might want the help and the company. So it depends. And then you might want it for long, you might want it for a short period of time. So you can do 2 months, 1 month. It depends on you guys, what you prefer, what you're comfortable with. Then going down to that as well, literally you just have to talk, communicate. What are you comfortable with? What would you prefer? Are you okay with the mother, whoever it is, whoever's mother or elder sister, whoever comes, are you okay with them bathing you, helping you to bathe? Because hey, when you give birth, you can't even walk. You can't walk, trust me. Hours after giving birth, the next day, hey, for me, I had an emergency cesarean, so I don't know about vaginal birth. However, those who had vaginal birth in my ward, the next day or next 2 days, some were walking, well, wobbling. Me, it took me 5 days before I could walk normally. Like when I say normally, not pre-pregnancy, but pregnancy waddle. I was leaning forward, my body was paining my tummy. Let's not even enter that part yet. That's another video. Anyway, so yeah, the person coming from OMUGWO can help you bathe, can help press your tummy with hot water, can help bind your tummy with wrapper or a tummy, what's it called, waist trainer, if you had a vaginal birth. For cesarean, they told us after 6 weeks of healing you can start it. Some do before. It depends on how fast your body heals, what you're comfortable with, and your pain threshold. However, after 6 weeks, maybe the incision has healed a bit, but inside you still have a hole. You still have like a wound, not a hole, inside. Like your tummy was cut, then your uterus was cut. Maybe womb, uterus, to bring the baby out. So you have to be careful. Later you can snap back. She's still sleepy. Ah, thank you, Lord. Though. YouTube, I'm back. Okay, let's be serious. So after that, what else do they do? What else do they do? So literally, what are you comfortable with? Discuss pre-arrival if you can. Some people might not want it, so you'll be like, she's telling me what to do, she's giving me rules. So maybe when the person comes, you can now say, okay, this how is OMUGWO done, or what is your comfort level? What can you do for me, or what you can tell them what you would like them to do for you. So it depends. There's no rule about it, to be honest. So after they stay with you, then when it's time to leave, you would send them off with gifts, money. It depends on what the circumstances are. If you're abroad, obviously the person will start carrying wrapper, yam and things back to Nigeria or wherever they live, if they are coming from abroad. So in that case, you would probably give them money, or when they get home you send the money to their account. Then they can do what they wish with it, buy what they wish, and do what the custom requires back home. While on the other hand, if they are coming from the same city or same country, like Abia to Imo or whatever, you can send them off with items similar to the things they came with. I was told by a friend that it depends, but for her, she sent her mom off with food stuff, stockfish, yam, bags of rice, bags of beans and stuff. And for the Omada in the village, apparently your mom is supposed to go back, or whoever's mom, go back to the village, tell them, see, my pikin don't give birth, so I just went for a OMUGWO and I came back and this is what they gave us. So you can give them small pieces of soap, bathing soap for washing clothing, or small containers of powder, and just stuff like that, to just show that their daughter has given birth and everything went well. So there's more into this, to be honest. So if you want to know more, you can just check out on Google or watch some OMUGWO videos on YouTube. This is the experience. Literally, this is the custom and things, how it's done in Igbo culture, the traditions. For us, my mom came. She stayed she was meant to be 2 months, but she missed her flight by the time, and I was in the hospital for 2 weeks. So by the time everything was sorted and she came, it was just 1 month left. So it wasn't really that long. However, there was help given and help received. She didn't bathe me because I was literally almost healed before she came. So most things were already handled by my friend. I mean, she's the best. She's the best. Trust me, she's the best. She taught me how to bathe my baby, how to, do things, change the nappy very well, use ointments to avoid nappy rash. The list is endless. So by the time my mom came, I was already like a pro. But she helped with the night schedule because that was what I needed help with. So find out what you might need help with, because I love my sleep, you know. So I told my mom, please, this is where I still haven't gotten the hang of. That night's broken sleep. Hey, imagine somebody waking up every 1 hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours to eat. And at the point, my milk wasn't in, so I wasn't even breastfeeding fully. I was just using formula, so it was easier. Imagine someone on your nipple every 1 hour, 30 minutes or 2 hours. Sucking. Nipple pain, soreness, redness, some even crack and have blisters. That's another video, like I said. Anyway, nobody prepares you for this journey. Have a baby. You look cute. Oh, my ovaries. Oh, you and your husband will make a cute baby. Yes, you will make a cute baby. But for that first 3 months at least, hey, you will see pepper. Some, on a serious note, some people actually enter depression, postnatal depression, PND. The point where they hate the baby, they hate the idea of being a mom, the idea of motherhood, and they might take it out on the child. That's how you see people doing things to babies. You know, it's not because of the devil, no, it's because of depression. It's real. So that's why we normally need help and support, especially if you're abroad, because you don't get a maid here, you can't. So guys, that is what it is. That's what has been happening. That's what OMUGWO is all about. My pregnancy story will come later, the journey, the birth story, how life has been so far, how the journey has been, even a day in the life. I might not show my baby's face because I haven't discussed with my husband, but these things are going to come. Bringing up a bilingual child, because she has to speak Igbo and English, obviously, so more will come. I will not move from what the theme of my channel. I'll still intertwine everything together. However, bear with me if the video takes a while to come out. This is the reason. My life is not my own. I belong to my baby girl. So yeah, she's still napping. Hey Lord, thank you. And me saying this thank you is like, she's been napping for 30 minutes. Not be saying her 2-5 hours. No, because nap is war. She fights sleep. So for me to get this, thank you Lord, thank you Lord. But yeah, what do you think? Is my face still fat? I still have skin tags. Story plenty, there's no need to enter it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you stay tuned on my channel for the next videos. In fact, plenty videos on this journey. Videos on Igbo language, Igbo culture, and many more. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.